What's up, everybody? Life's Apprentice. We were out doing a whole bunch of random repairs and stuff like that today, so I wasn't gonna make a video. But then I saw this, and this deserves a short little video. So we got called out. A couple of shingles blew off on a roof, and we got called out to repair it. Never been here, no idea what was going on. This is what we come up to. Shingles missing here, but look at this. Seam on seam on seam on seam on seam on seam. Look at this. Nails not in the common bond, over pressured. Look at this whole roof. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. This whole roof, essentially, these nails, these shingles are still tarred down, but these nails completely over pressured. Like, how do you fix something like that? This whole roof is just gonna fall off. This is, I've seen some crazy stuff, but you can see all these sliding down. Craziness. You can't make this stuff up. So, in order for us to even get up here safely, we're gonna have to nail all these down to get up there, because if you stand on these right now, they're just gonna slide right off. Paul's up there fixing shingles so that he can walk on them to get to the shingles that are missing, because these things are literally just sitting on there. Look at that. They just left them hang over. They use gutter apron on the edge here for D-edge. Just left them hang over every other one. Well, now the boys nailed down these shingles so that we can get up there without sliding down.
Without dying.
Yeah.
I got a bunch. Oh, I need some?
You can't make this shit up, boys. This has got to be one of the worst I've ever seen. You?
Yeah. And I've seen a lot on YouTube.
Yeah. This is pretty bad. This is exactly why you hire a licensed professional with experience that's been around for more than a month. Anyone can lay shingles. It's all about the details. All about the details. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's dead zones. There's big gaps in the board, so they must have ripped off cedar and they didn't resheet. So there's big dead zones too, which is another problem. If you run into that dead zone, just nail a little higher in this case. I know I would normally never tell you to do that, but in this case, that's what we need to do.
We don't have any other option.
Right. What do you do? I mean, right now he just needs the hole in the roof fixed. I'm gonna definitely tell the customer what's wrong. Overlap those, because that shingle's like a little bit longer than the original. Overlap it, that way those seams don't line up right there.
So you don't want it right here? Or you do?
Well, just overlap it, because those seams line up. See, so now you're overlapped like you are right there.
Yeah.
Now the seams don't line up as perfect. You know what I mean? Now we have an inch offset. It's unbelievable what some people will do. It baffles me. I mean, I've seen some bad stuff in my life. Bad roofs. This has got to be one of the worst I've ever seen. And we're going to be back here, I guarantee you, because I'm not going to sit here and hand nail and fix all of these shingles. This whole roof needs to be redone and then resheeted. I don't even want to, I want to show people the rest of the messed up stuff, but I don't even want to walk on it, because you walk on these and they're not nailed, or the nails are over pressured, and the whole sheet's just going to slide off. You'll fall off. And this is probably, I don't know, 7, 12, something like that. So it's not super steep, but if these shingles shit out on us,
We're going for a ride.
you are going for a ride, a magic carpet ride, a magic carpet shingle ride. You can just feel the whole roof bouncing. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll catch you if you fall. If we get a big windstorm, the only shingles that'll stay on the roof are the ones that we repaired. That's going to be funny. Just overlap it. don't cut it, overlap it over those seams. That way we don't get a leak right in that spot.
Oh, I didn't bring a hook blade up. I ain't cutting that.
Yep. You can see those seams are lined up perfectly over there, but these shingles aren't exactly the same, so they do overlap a little bit, and I would normally never ever do this, but in this case, I don't know what else to do. You could rip this entire roof off by hand in about 10 seconds. And you'll have to nail that next course up too. Be careful how far you go to the right, Dakota, because we didn't nail those over there. You can just see the whole roof bouncing. Well, that's fun. You know, I mean, I've seen a lot of bad roofs, but this one might take the cake.
Look, the tar on these shingles must be just fucking straight garbage.
Well, that's because it tarred down and they slid. I mean, the tar's the only thing holding them on there, honestly. The nails aren't.
What nails?
Well, the nails that they blew right through the shingles. And you can see they blew their nails through the shingle, but it's way up here. It's not in the common bond. So it's way up here, and they're overpressured.
Bottom roll gold.
And obviously they didn't pull a permit because there's no vent. There's no vent on the entire house, which is code. There's no ridge vent, no pod vents, no nothing. What do you have to say about that?
Some people's fucking
Nothing.
kids.
Yeah.
Some people's kids, man, I tell you.
All right, well, we repaired it. We're going to have to tell the
This is one that
homeowner.
my grandma would say, tired of the handicap, be fun to watch.
Yeah. Look at them sweet new shoes there. Ooh.
Oh, people are gonna see my thighs too.
They're looking up your shorts right now.
Woo!
Well, that was interesting. Not staged, not planned. Wasn't really going to make a video today. I'm glad I brought the camera. But that is the worst roof, I'm sure of it. That is the worst asphalt shingle roof I have ever seen installed in my entire life.
So strong.
And I've been doing this for a long time. I've seen so many roofs. These guys have seen many, many roofs and never seen anything like that. That is terrible. So I had to show you. Hopefully you guys like it. Share that, like it, subscribe.
That roof
See you on
is
the
not
next
on
one.
fleek.
No, that roof is not on
Definitely
fleek.
not.